Hey everyone, you need to see this product. It's seriously a game changer. First of all, it looks so good, sleek, modern, and just the right touch of premium. And let's talk price. I was expecting it to be way more expensive, but nope, you're getting an insane deal. It's super functional too. Whether you need it for work, home, or a gift, it's the perfect pick. All the details are in the description, so check it out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome finds.